Welcome back to the sweatshop. Today we're going to be showing you how to change this low beam headlight bulb on a 2013 Mercedes-Benz C300. This is a really simple, really quick job. All you have to do is peel this cap off here, twist it counterclockwise, and then you can see your light bulb here. All you got to do is reach hold of it, twist it counterclockwise. Once you hear that pop, you can pull it out. Now, just separate it from the actual connector. Get your new bulb here and make sure it is exactly the same as the old bulb. In this case, it is an H7 bulb. Now, you'll see the tab here on the bulb. All you got to do is make sure you line it up with this tab here on the connector. Place it in like that, make sure it's all the way in. Now, what you got to do, be gentle. Remember, don't touch the bulb itself. Line it up. When you get it into the hole, just twist it clockwise, and when you hear that sound and it's locked into place, your bulb is now installed. Don't forget to put your cap back. And that's it, you're done. Just test it, make sure that it works, and you're good to go. Success! If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss one of my new videos. We will see you in the next one. Now, locate the... What am I locating? Take the bulb. See that cutaway there? The bigger tab here? There's only one tab, Jimmy. Good job. Okay. You're going to take the bulb, take that tab. Oh, fuck, Jimmy. I mean, it's not really fucking the wrong way, but yeah, whatever. Don't forget to replace the cap. And now just make sure everything works. Fuck you.